Ready to turn those hard-earned Hamster Kombat coins into real-world value by withdrawing them to your Telegram wallet. Alright, let's get straight to it. Unfortunately, withdrawing directly from Hamster Kombat to Telegram wallet isn't currently possible in the traditional sense. Hamster Kombat is a tap-to-earn game built within Telegram itself. It doesn't operate like a typical crypto wallet or exchange, so direct withdrawals of in-game coins aren't available. However, the value in your Hamster Kombat account will eventually be converted into a real crypto asset. Once Hamster Kombat launches its token, you will be able to exchange your coins for it and then send that crypto token to a Telegram wallet like Wallet or TonSpace. To prepare for this, keep an eye on official Hamster Kombat channels for announcements about the token launch and airdrop details. This is where you'll find specific instructions on how your in-game coins will translate into actual cryptocurrency. Once the Hamster Kombat token is airdropped or listed, and assuming it's supported, simply go to your Telegram wallet of choice, tap the receive button, and copy your wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. Then, following the Hamster Kombat team's instructions, use this address to claim or transfer your airdrop tokens from the game to your Telegram wallet. Double-check the address before sending to avoid losing your funds. And that's it. Once the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, your Hamster Kombat earnings will be safely in your Telegram wallet, ready to be used or exchanged. Remember to always stay updated with official announcements from the Hamster Kombat team for the most accurate information.